What's up guys, Crate here, and I know in my last video I talked about the MagSafe charger that I got, but this time this is a different charger that's even more expensive. We'll get into that later, but this is the Nomad base station stand. Alright, so the Nomad base station stand, I know, very long name, is a very premium wireless Qi charging device stand thing, and it's only for one device. It has an aluminum gunmetal build with premium leather padding and rubber feet for a solid grip on flat surfaces. And inside the box is everything you need to charge your device no matter what country you're in. The braided 2-meter USB-C to USB-A cable is better than most cables, but not quite as nice as a dedicated Nomad cable. This is just from what I've heard because I actually don't have any dedicated Nomad cables. This is my first Nomad product. And also, the included power brick is an 18-watt adapter, but the stand only provides 10 watts of wireless charging. Alright, so let's get into this stand. Underneath that elegant black padded Horween leather and inside the aluminum chassis are two Qi charging coils delivering 10 watts of charging each. The reason for this is to essentially eliminate any dead spots on the back so that you can charge devices like phones vertically or horizontally. And of course, the stand works with any other Qi charging device, not just phones. The only other thing that I have to test are my AirPods, but they charge flawlessly on here. I will have to mention that I have to charge them sideways, I guess just because of the way that the AirPod Pro case is designed. Funky, I know. I like that the cable is not built into the stand, meaning you can replace it if something goes wrong, or more importantly, if you want to use a shorter or longer cable. The other really cool feature is the ambient light sensor on the back of the device. Alright, so to know your device is charging, there's a blue LED light front and center, but not everyone needs there to be a super bright light shining even if they're in a dim situation. So if the device detects that the lights are darker in whatever situation you're in, it will actually dim the front LED so it's not as bright. It's a pretty cool feature. And it's those little touches that really make Nomad a premium brand. Okay, like I said earlier, this is my first Nomad product, and I'm actually really surprised and happy with how it works and how it looks. Alright, so the functionality and build quality of this product are top notch. I like being able to see my notifications without having to necessarily pick up my phone. And then when I want to just sit back and watch some content or do that while I'm working, I can put the phone vertically and, just enjoy movies or YouTube videos, all the while charging my device. Alright, so let's get to the elephant of the room. This thing is $99. That definitely ain't cheap. And to put this in perspective, you can find a relatively similar device on Amazon for about 20 or 30 bucks. And if you want to go a little bit faster, Samsung offers a 15-watt wireless charging device for 60 bucks. So cheaper, faster. So that brings us to the question, is this charger for everyone? Probably not. I'm a little bit leaning towards function over functionality when it comes to my desk setup because I just want everything to look good and flow and, match. But if you just want something that works and you don't want to spend a lot of money, there's a bunch of options out there and I'll link some of them down below. Alright, well thank you guys for watching this short video of the charger that I just picked up. Now, I love it so far, but with the new iPhones coming out, as well as Android phones with faster charging just built into them, I'm not sure how long this is gonna last or hold up in time. Maybe Nomad will come out with a newer version with faster wireless charging, but this also just came out this year, at the beginning of the year, so who knows. Alright, well if you guys have any other suggestions or you guys have Nomad products like this, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys later.